Taoshan, how everyone? Kevin speaking. Today we're going to talk about a brand that has been producing smartphone accessories and it has been drawing a lot of attention, especially in Ghana. So I decided to do a video about one of their products. I'm talking, of course, of Oraimo. And my first impression about them wasn't really good. Why? Because I saw them in Banana Cramo, and I was like, their prices are too low for them to make like quality products. I was really skeptical for buying any of their products. However, the Destiny has decided to put one of their products on my way, and today we are going to unbox and review the Oraimo Feathers 2C, which I have here. So I was out looking for a budget Bluetooth headphones. I was in Accra Mall and I was looking for a budget Bluetooth headphones to make a video for you guys. Budget Bluetooth headphones that anyone can buy to use with their phones, to use with their computer. So I went to Accra Mall and I was in Banana and I found these beautiful headphones. It's a Bluetooth headphones with a very short cable, and I was really happy. It's called Lavalier. And I bought them for 69 Ghana cedis. I think it was on sale. Then I came back home and I recorded this whole unboxing video before I test the headphones. So I opened them and I started testing them, and I realized that one of the ear was giving a lesser volume or a lower sound quality than the other one. Once I realized that one of them wasn't working well, I decided to go back to Banana. So Banana is known for selling Chinese products. So frankly, I wasn't expecting them to have a return policy, but they still have one. So I went over there and I met this nice guy. I was really expecting, like, I don't know, low quality of service and everything, because they basically sell Chinese products, and I didn't think they will have any return policy. But it was really interesting to find out that they have one. It's 7 days, so if you bought something from them, you can return it in 7 days and exchange it for another product. So I met this nice guy who explained to me how the process is done. So he gave me another one and I tested it, and he was giving me the same issue. So I was like, okay, fine, get me a Bluetooth headphones in the same price range. He then brought me the Oraimos, and I told you that I didn't like the brand at first because I didn't believe they make some quality products. But anyway, that's what I got. So he gave it to me, we charged it for a while, and I tested them. And frankly, the sound was really good. So I was like, okay, if this is what I must get, let me get it. So I came back home and I then recorded the unboxing that I'm going to show you right now. Sorry for the storytelling. We are going to dive in the video right now. All right, let's go with the unboxing. So yeah, this is the box. Actually, I think you can give this as a gift to anyone for Christmas. It's a nice Bluetooth headphones, and it works with any kind of device, iOS or Android, doesn't matter. So let's go. So I have to remove the plastic. All right, then let's open it. All right, this is not bad and not a bad packaging. So here we have this quick start guide. It shows a lot of stuff. I think there's nothing for me here. Then we have a like and dislike paper. I don't really know what that is. I guess it's a survey paper. And we have an micro USB cable, of course. For that price, I don't think you can be expecting a USB Type-C. The cable though seems kind of strong. It seems kind of strong. It really seems kind of strong. Yeah, I love the plastic is really gummy and everything. So I think this might last. There's no power brick. I don't know. People have been attacking Apple about not making a power brick in the box. But have you realized that every time you buy headphones or you buy Bluetooth speakers, you don't get any charging brick? I think it's pretty standard now that we are not going to be getting any power brick in any of the devices you are buying. All right, apart from that, we also have gums. We have a bunch of gums. Man, this is a lot of gum. All right, it's for the earbuds. It's for the buds. All right, so we have two that are smaller than what is on the headphones, and two that is bigger. So yeah, we also have that. And of course, you have the headphones themselves, the earphones themselves. They are kind of nice. the only thing is it's really long. As you can see, it's not like you can really hide them. It's really long. Yeah, so that's it for the unboxing. Let's go with the review. All right, so these headphones have a battery capacity of 100 mAh. They also have playback and call time of 7 hours and 180 hours of standby time. Also, they are micro USB compatible with Bluetooth 5.0, which means you have 10 meters range, and they are black. I've been using them for more than a month now, and I kind of have a lot of things to say. The first thing is the design. Frankly, the design is not the best. Frankly, the design is not the best, especially with this new earbud trend. You're not gonna like this design at all. It's kind of long and it falls right here when you are wearing them, and it's also kind of bad because whenever you hit some wind, it just goes like this, and yeah, you're not gonna like that. So for me, definitely not for sport. These ones definitely not good for sport. I'm sure once you just start running a little bit, they're going to fall back. They're going to be tangling around, and it's going to be disturbing you whenever you are doing sport or a sports activity. Whenever you are running, whenever you are pushing, I don't know what you're doing, but these are not good for sport. I tried it, it's not. Even when you are walking around, it falls already on your back. So if you're gonna be running, it's not gonna do it. The fabric feels strong though. I'm kind of concerned about the cable at the edges right there on the earphones, but I try to test it. I try to put them in the weirdest position. I've been folding it, I've been putting it in my pocket, I've been trying to put it on my bed, lay on it. I tried to sleep with them, and they really didn't seem to care. So I think they are good. And Oraimo is also providing a warranty of 365 days, which means a year. I don't really know what it covers though, but they are offering that. I'm sure they have some confidence in their product, so I think you can go ahead and order them if you really want. But if you're in need of a budget headphones that you can use with your smartphone or your computer or your iPad. The control buttons are really tricky. I really didn't like that. I hated that because they had to make me read the manual. Once you do that, you and we aren't friends. You want me to read the manual? Really? These are headphones. They are pretty clear commands on headphones, which for me is play pause button. Of course, you press it twice for next and 3 times for previous. But that's not the case here. Here, to make next, you have to press and hold on the volume plus. And to do previous, you have to do the opposite, which I really didn't like. So I recommend you to read the manual for those buttons and those control and commands, for you to have all the different things: how to take a call, pick a call, receive a call, reject a call, and many other things that you need to understand about these headphones. I recommend you to read that part of the start guide. Despite the strong fabric, these headphones are not IP rated, so I will not recommend to use them near water. And I also don't want you to use them in rain. I haven't tested that yet because it's not been raining. So once I do it, I'm gonna post it on our Facebook page. These headphones produce incredibly good sound quality for their price. Frankly, I was not expecting this kind of quality of sound for this price. Frankly, I wasn't expecting that. And frankly, if you test them and you compare them to the light leaf that I bought, you understand why I was flabbergasted to have this kind of sound quality with these headphones. And the only thing is, if you compare them with other headphones or earbuds, is that they don't have active noise cancelling, so you will not get that kind of immersion when you are using them. But the fact that they are inner ear is kind of a good point, and it helps isolating the rest of the world as well. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, the gum they put at the edge is really soft, so it doesn't cause any discomfort when you are using it. After using it for a while though, I kind of felt a little pinch on my intellics, but apart from that, frankly, they are really comfortable. I've used them to travel before. I used them to travel, and the time of the journey was about 6 hours. I didn't remove them for 6 hours, and I just feel a little pinch on this part of my ear. So yeah, they are really comfortable as well. So I recommend them. Frankly, I recommend them. The sound is good, they are comfortable. The only problem is the design, but apart from that, you will enjoy them. The microphone is good as well. So I think you can use the microphone to make a call and everything. I'm going to do a mic test. Alright, so here's the mic test. Here's how the Oraimo sound like without any background noise. So test. For 65 Ghana cedis, frankly, I believe that these headphones are great. The sound quality is on point and the quality of the fabric is on point as well. So I believe that by getting these headphones, you make a good investment, or by giving them as a gift to anyone, the person will be happy. If you've just gotten your new iPhone 13 Pro Max, or you just gotten your new Galaxy Z Flip and you're not feeling like selling a leg to get the new AirPods 3rd generation, think about this. And Oraimo also have a earbud line up. So I invite you to check this out as well, and put in the comment section which one of those earbuds you want me to review, because I'm definitely gonna buy one to give you guys also a earbud budget option. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So put the one you want me to review in the comment section. Also give me your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. This was Kevin from Mr. Purple Tech, and I'll see you in the next one. 再见. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.